slow as hell.
You gotta fasten up your buddy.
I mean, we can load up now if you want.
I don't know what you thought about the track being dry. It's muddier than it out.
Yeah, first quarter inch on top.
On top.
Nah, it'll be gone. Oh, no shit.
Oh yeah, you gotta, but stay on the bottom, Robert. You gotta roll the bottom in, all right?
You better get a little baby oil on this, Dallas.
Do what?
Am I just going out there for a lap? Am I just going out there for a lap?
No, you can stay out there.
For what?
For 4 laps or so.
Good, how about you, man?
Not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, I don't know. That's all it is.
Privacy in racing. What's your name? I don't see it on the car.
Wayne Stone.
Wayne Stover. Where are you from, Wayne?
Wayne Stone.
Stone, where are you from?
Concordia, Missouri.
Concordia. Well, shoot, man, you're just down the road.
Yep. Yeah, it's pretty fun going up here.
Yeah, I bet it is. Well, hey, give them hell tonight, man.
All right, thanks.
Oh yeah, well, that's awesome.
Hey, he looks like he's in shape too.
Yeah, he lost about 45 pounds.
How's it going?
Oh,
okay, Mitchell. Man, that's some fancy lettering you got on there.
That's so he can fire me real fast if he wants to.
I was going to say, when you come in after the heat race, just jerk that tape off and say, out of the car, buddy.
Yeah, that might happen, so probably got to win some races before we get it on there permanently. And if I win this one tonight, maybe he'll paint it on there. I don't know. Maybe he won't want to sell the car.
There you go. Hey, man, have fun.
I'm going to try.
All right, we'll see you.
It's a little sunny.
I said, well, here, I'll stand like, how's that? Put a little shade in your face.
We got a 305. We're running with the big boys.
Wow. All right, stepping up, man. Of course, later on, who knows, that thing gets slick out there.
It will be. That may be our advantage.
Yeah, it could be around the bottom.
That's the only thing.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
How you doing tonight?
Man, I can't complain. What about yourself?
It's just a little warm in here, but a lot cooler than it was last weekend, that's for sure.
I was going to say, man, we've kind of gotten quite a bit of relief here for the last week. Probably 85, but...
I think it's 20 degrees cooler right now than it was last time I was sitting in this thing.
Yeah, I bet. What are you running tonight? What motor?
Just 360 in it tonight.
360?
Nope.
Yeah.
Nothing special.
Might not be all bad there. You never know what that track's
Track
going
ain't
to do.
looking like she's going to stay heavy, so...
Yeah.
I think he missed the watering truck a couple hours. Someone was napping instead of working.
Yeah. All right, thank you, man.
Have a good night.
He's up there.
Say, Kenny, how you doing tonight,
Good,
buddy?
yourself?
Can't complain. What do you think getting this open wheel racing wingless back here in Kansas City? Man, been a few years, hasn't it?
Good for the area, good for the track.
Yeah.
Need that. Need something like that.
I was going to say, I think you remember the days when it was king here.
Hey, easy now. But yeah, it was. But it's good. I mean, you can tell by the crowd they're going to like the show.
Yeah.
It's going to be good.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, man.
You betcha.
Here's your B main here from Valley Speedway in Green Valley, Missouri. And we're going to have Hud Cone and John Stanborough on that front row. Mike Moore, Walker, Chad Ty, John Stevenson, Robert Black, and John Helm at your first 3 or 4 rows. And they've turned them loose. And that looks like Mike Moore, I believe. I'm sorry, that's 21 of Hud Cone with Stanborough right back there on his back bumper as they go through the turns. And then that Hoffman car. Got a pack of them back here running for that 4th, 5th, and 6th there at Valley Speedway. Stanborough keeping pace with Cone as they go through 3 and 4 now down that front straightaway. I believe that's Bobby East in the 69, and we've got one stopping over here trying to get off the track on the exit there to the pit area, and it looks like he will make it, but it's going to bring out the yellow as we've got about 3 or 4 laps down, and we'll get back to green racing here in just a minute. I think we've got 3 or 4 laps down, and once again that's Hud Cone in the lead, John Stanborough, Bobby East Jr. That's going to be your top 3 here for this B main here at Valley Speedway. East up to the top. Can he keep that momentum going? Hud Cone now opens up a slight lead down that front straightaway over Stanborough. Bobby East still trying to make it work up on that top side. Of course, that cushion up there is starting to wear out pretty quick. There's not much room up there. So he drops down to the bottom too. Leaders now have pulled out away from third and fourth place as the pack now starts spreading out a little bit. Still Cone your leader, Stanborough second, East third. That's Walker in that fourth spot. And we've got a yellow flag out again. We've got one turned around down here in turn number 2.
Coming up for Jeff Wingate, starting top turn number 2. And 7 laps to the book. 5 down, but it's a
It's car number 2, I think he said Jeff Kincaid, but I don't even have that number on my list.
log on and find them online.
Got any idea on the laps? Okay, we've got 8 down. We're going to be on lap 9 here. Once again, Hud Cone, John Stanborough, Bobby East, Walker, and the 3B of Robert Black. Now that's going to be your top 5 here as they get ready to get the green flag, and it flies. Once again, East up to the top. Cone and Stanborough hugging that bottom side. When East goes into the corners, it looks like he's going to make up a bunch of ground on the leaders, but then as they come out, Stanborough and Cone just pull away. Top 3 now once again separate themselves. 4th and 5th with the rest of the pack. Doesn't look like a lot of traction out there right now. It's a white flag has come out for Hud Cone, as all he's got to do is negotiate turns 3 and 4. And it looks like Hud Cone, Stanborough, Bobby East, Walker, and Robert Black. And I think there's one more, the 14, which I think is Kyle Bellum. And that's going to be your cars that are going to transfer on up into the A main here tonight at Valley Speedway.